Hi, Bruno again. In this video, I wanna set the focus on something that is called the Browser History API. And it might sound like a strange theme, but in this case, I think it's important to take the focus on it because maybe you wanna see something that looks strange for you, but it isn't strange. And I will cover this in this video. So please take a look at this left bottom corner. When I hover, I want to start on another way. At the moment we are on the home page or the front page. So it's a page when you click on this logo. So keep your look here on the left bottom corner. When I hover over such a navigation bar item, then it will reflect the real category page. Take also a look here at the URL bar. So when I click, for example, on health, then something special happens. So as you can see, now we are on the health category, but that's a bit strange because we're still on the same page. When we go to fruits, then it will reflect the fruits category, but we're still on the home page. And now I think you should become a feeling what I mean with strange behavior. Because when I go to such a link and I make a right click and open this link inside a new tab, then Divi Filterable blog module, get the best out of your web. This is the front page with the featured posts, okay? But when we go on this page, then there are no featured posts. Here you will find the header for categories and tags. So it means we're no longer on the home page. In this case, we are on the real category page. I will close this page. Let us go to Recipe, to Salad, and to Sport, and every time we do this, we still stay at the same page. But I can go back to Salad, Recipe, Fruits, Health. We can go forward. Recipe, Salad, Sport. And when we open the history, this comes from my SEO plugin, so I need to open the history, show all history. Then you can see that we have some entries in our history overview. And why it is important. So when you remember, we're starting on this page, and as described in the videos before, when we click on such a link, I scroll down, then all that is changed is inside this area. So when you click on this category, then it will happen an AJAX request, and this AJAX request will fetch the posts for this category from the server, and it will change the content in this area with this new posts. And this is fine as long as you click here, go backward, forward, and so on. But sometimes the user makes something really strange, and this is he or she uses the reload button. And here we will become some trouble, because when a user is at, for example, on this page, on this front page with the category chooses link, then the normal behavior, it would be to start on the category page, okay? I will do it for salad also. Click on salad, it opens at the category page. But this is a strange behavior, because when a user reloads the page, then he or she will still exist on the same page. And that's the reason why I implemented a special filter or a special script. And this script is so clever that it recognizes the page from where you come. And please take a look here at the URL bar when I click on the reload button. At first it will load our homepage, and then it will add automatically our content for this category. Do it again, homepage, category. Go a step backward, sport, homepage, we will get the content for the sport page. Go back, fruits, reload the page. We're still on the fruits page after the initial template is loaded. And this is exactly what happens. So when you do such a reload, then the script will load the main template with all its features, like the navigation bar, the featured post, the footer, and everything else. And when this has happened, or when this happens, then it will fetch the posts and it will add these posts into this template. But here's one more thing that is important to understand. And it's really important to understand, because when you make some changes for your page and you will reload this page, then something special happens. Because, for example, when you change the content to excerpt, and for the content you used 100 words, but now you want to use 30 words length for this excerpt, then you will not see any changes, because when you simply reload the page, it will never fetch the posts again as long as you stay at the same page. And it's exactly the same when you go backward and when you go forward. So when you use the Browser History API, then history, I think it was state. Yes. So I will go to the console, and here you can see something that is called a JSON string. And inside this JSON string, you will see the link from our homepage, you will see the current page, so in this case it's the fruits page, and then you will see a lot of text, and this text reflects these posts. So what happens when you reload the page, it will simply fetch this content and put it into this template. So when you do any changes at a page and you want to see the changes, then all you need to do is simply to click on fruits again, and then it will build a new state, and then you will see that your changes are applied. And then there is one more thing. So when you take a look at your source code and you go into this head section, then you will find a small snippet inside this no optimized tags. And here it is really important that you let the script stay at exactly the same position. So it's just a small script, so it's not something big. So I have tested it on my own pages, so it has absolutely no impact on your page optimization. So you can move it to the footer, but then it will happen something that you don't want, because when you move it from the header section to the footer section, then on a page reload, it will reload at first the category page, then it comes to the footer and say, oh no, I'm on the wrong page, I will need to load the front page in this case. Then it will load the front page, and after the front page is loaded, it will insert this fruits category input into this front page. So that's the reason why this snippet is wrapped in this now optimized tags, and this is a convention for minifying and cache plugins, that when they come to a snippet or a script that is included in such a now optimized tag, then normally it will let it stay at the exactly same position. So I just wanna tell it in this video, because when you find the snippet, simply forget it. It will ensure that your customer will get a nice experience. Okay, no more posts. Nice experience with navigation on these different areas. And this also works when you, for example, click on a post, and in my case here it's the demo. I have disabled the post, so it will switch back to this page. But when you go inside such a post and then you click on this backward button, then it will happen exactly the same. It will load the home page, and then it will insert this content inside this page. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.